Bienvenidos a la clase de español. Hello, and welcome to Spanish class. My name is Casey Shipman, and I'm the program coordinator for CJE SeniorLife's Instant Israel program. Today, we begin our first Spanish lesson. Learning a language is a great way to keep your mind healthy and active. It's okay if it doesn't sound perfect. We'll learn as we go. And even if you don't think you have anyone to speak it with, you have me. Now you should have the worksheet to follow along with me. If you don't, pause the video and ask for help. Now let's begin. We'll start with hello. Hello, my name is Casey. Hola, me llamo Casey. You try with me slowly using your name, unless your name is Casey. Hola, me llamo Casey. One more time. Hola, me llamo Casey. Now let's try a greeting. I'll go through it once and translate. Hola, me llamo Casey. Hello, my name is Casey. Hola, me llamo John. Hello, my name is John. ¿Cómo estás? How are you? Estoy bien, gracias. I am well, thank you. If you have someone to practice with, try these simple phrases with one of you as A and one of you as B, then switch. If not, you can always do it with me. I'll do all of it with you slowly. Hola, me llamo Casey. Hola, me llamo. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien, gracias. Muy bien. Now let's try these phrases using one of the adjectives I've listed on the worksheet. I'll go through them with you first. Feliz, happy. Try it with me. Feliz. Good. How about tired? Cansado. Try it. Cansado. Great. Excited. Emocionado. Try it. Emocionado. And maybe you're feeling a little hungry. Hambriento. Try it with me slowly. Hambriento. Muy bien. Now let's go through the conversation again and replace bien with one of these adjectives. I'll pause on the word so you can fill it in with whichever word you choose. Ready? Here we go. Hola, me llamo Casey. Hola, me llamo. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy. Gracias. Great, muy bien. You've completed your first Spanish lesson. You can watch this video as many times as you like, and maybe even teach someone else. I'll see you soon for lesson 2. Adios!